Plenty. Sick of remembering her that way. It's never a dream of her tiny face pressing the window when she knows I was coming over. Or that little wobbly dance she did. It's always the same nightmare. I need to get my mind off things. Lucky for me, this city's full of distractions. And they can't hide from me.
Somebody tried to break into my house last night. Cops rolled up like ninjas.
I'll have to thank CTOS one day. Simple breach of their facial recognition software, and I've got access to everyone's personal details. That guy's out of control. I'm not gonna let him hurt anyone today. A simple trace of his call and he's mine.
Watch it, cabrón! ¿Qué te pasa?
No.
Mama said... Wow!
Y es una embustera.
All right. He's here somewhere. Just move carefully. Don't get spotted. Let the profiler do the work. He's close. Just need to find him.
Damn, you sound messed up. I am, man. Look, I could go to jail. What the hell did you do? Laurel hired a dog walker. Some cute thing. Young.
No, go ahead. Whatever he is. Yeah.
She must be the woman he's after. This guy's close. I can feel it.
We need to talk.
There's nothing to talk about. We're done. Deal with
You're
it.
so fucking wrong. I'm not done yet.
Get away! I'll scream!
I'll teach you. We're not done. We're not done. I'll fucking kill you.
Well, I tried.
Shit, what have I done? Could have moved quicker. Could have saved her.
No, no.
Nikki, hey, I know, the party started.
It's almost over. Where are you?
I'm on my way.
Ugh, you make me crazy. Jackson's really looking forward to it. Get over here. We miss you.
I miss you too. I'll be there. Sorry, Nick, I need to take this. I'll see you soon.
Good. You got out. Look, if you need some wheels, give me a call. I'll set you up.
Pre-owned cars?
You'd rather register yourself at a car dealer? I don't ask questions. This guy gets me any ride I want. And you, if you need it.
I just might. How's Maurice doing?
Oh, he's all sunshine and buttercups. I'm gonna dump him at my little dumping place.
I need him alive, Jordy.
Yeah, alive. Whatever.
Goes against your better nature, huh?
I'd pop him and be done, but hey, you pay me right, I'll keep him alive as long as you want. I do work for a paycheck.
haven't been to Nikki's since the funeral. Am I ready? Jack's last birthday, Lena sang off key. Happy birthday. Full throttle, no holds barred. Now, I'm afraid of the silence.
Somebody tried to break into my house last night. Cops rolled up.
Te estaba llamando porque necesito...
Okay.
How old are you today? 10. No, I think you're 9. 10. 9. 10. 9. 10? Well, in that case, you deserve 10 birthday tickles.
What?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10. 10.
10. Stay here for a second. So, an entire year and...
Late. Yeah, I'm sorry, Nick. Really.
Come here. Let's have a look at you. You look older.
Oh, nice. Thanks for that.
It's his first birthday without Lena.
How's he doing?
Still doesn't talk to anybody but me. Yolanda says it's his way of maintaining some sort of control.
Yolanda.
His therapist. She's helping him. It's good. Just slow. It's hard, but we're gonna get through it. Jax.
Hey. Sorry I'm late. Can I get a hug? Wow. You are... big. So, hey, what do you got there? Wow, the healer. Cool. You brought him a real toy, huh?
Why don't you bring up your toys? I'm gonna speak with your uncle.
Yeah, I'll be up there in a sec.
This matters. You being here. I just need to make sure that things are different.
Things are different. You and Jax are the most important people in my life. I'm not gonna stop watching out for you.
Always the big brother, huh?
Last time I was back here, it was Lena's birthday. Jackson adored her. We all did.
You missed all the fun. The kids were playing vigilante, imitating that guy they keep talking about on TV.
Let me guess. Jax was the vigilante.
No, they were all the vigilantes, and I was the only villain, but I make a mean bad guy. I gave him hell.
I should have come earlier. I could have warned them. Don't mess with my sister.
Remember when you and Mom were both sick as dogs, but Dad insisted his boy was gonna have his birthday cake? That thing was an abomination. All burnt and lopsided. That was Dad in a nutshell. He did a lot of ugly things, but it was always about family. Listen to me, I'm rambling. Oh, really? No, don't let me interrupt you. Listen, the police can trace this call. Oh, nice. You don't scare me.
I know where you live. How are the locks on those doors?
Who is this? Why are you calling?
Do you feel safe, Nikki?
Who was that?
Doesn't matter, just some stupid crank. It happens. Do you think this is strong enough?
Look, did you know his voice?
Oh, Jesus, Aiden, just leave it. It's fine.
It's fine. He thinks he can get inside.
How do you know what he thinks?
You're checking the locks.
Look, I can handle this on my own. We do not need your help.
Nikki, I can find this guy.
Okay, look, Aiden, God, you have not changed at all. We do not need your help. Please stop trying to fix our problems. Every time you try, you just make things worse.
I better go.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Grown man making crank calls. Let's see how safe you feel when I trace your call. There you are. Damn it. He's on the move. I've been afraid of this. That's my family again. Yeah.
I'm sorry. I overreacted. You just make me so crazy sometimes.
Uh-huh.
Come on back, okay? I promise I won't freak out on you. Edith? You're going after that creep, aren't you?
Well,
You're doing it right now. I can't believe you.
it's not like that.
Stop being a hero, Aiden. Let it go.
Let what? Yeah, the call's breaking up. I can't hear you.
No, you can hear me perfectly. You need to stop right now.
Yeah, hello? You still there? Can't hear you. Okay, gotta go.
Ugh!
Someone paid this asshole to harass Nikki. Who would pay for something like that? Did you get anywhere with DedSec? Any of those CTOS hacks?
Yeah, I'm still trying. They're kicking you out. Give me time.
Okay, well, I need your help then. Can you trace a phone call?
How can I refuse my best client? Wait, what am I looking at here?
It's from a guy who threatened my family. I want to know who hired him.
Well, the call came from somewhere in the Loop District. But that's as far as I can see.
Okay, I can hack CTOS inside the loop.
Then I should be able to pinpoint the source of that call.
Let's do that. Bloom's building a new CTOS center in the loop. It's perfect.
DedSec tried to attack that center last month. We failed, and they just added more armed guards. So it won't be easy. Be careful.
You sound like my sister. Relax. Make sure I'm armed and dangerous. Private contractors to guard their CTOS centers. These guys will be geared up and wired for action. But I'll be ready.
Somebody tried to break into my house last night.
There was a break-in about a copper baseball stadium earlier. Police claimed gang members in the city located suspects suspected bringing pictures of bombs today. A number of gang members were killed in the gunfight.
Yeah, well, they fucking do now. CTOS alarms can't be ignored.
Climate change is real, and it's here in Chicago. You think our sweltering summers are a they need to crack down on
We have something against him. He had a breakdown a few years back. Then we need to use that. We have witnesses that he cried at his desk, rocking back and forth, snot, drool all over him. HR did a whole write-up on him. Got some pretty great witnesses about his kid being molested, his father with a mental patient. We're going to
How can I help you?
happy birthday on them. What else are they going to say? Grandparents coming in, cousins, aunts, uncles, friends, little poppers. We got a playlist ready to go. There's going to be kids throwing balls against the wall. I don't know what even that means, but apparently that's in the plan. It's going to be a good time. We have something against him. He had a breakdown a few years back. Then we need to use that. We have witnesses that he cried at his desk, rocking back and forth, snot, drool.
Now that's a good get.
Did a whole write-up on it. Got some pretty great boo-hoo shit about his kid being molested, his father was a mental patient.
Jesus, no! Gotta get out of here.
Okay.
Ay, puñeta!
Hey,
I wanna go home.
That looks bad.
Holy shit! Come on, no!
So awful.
Oh, Jesus, no!
Unbelievable. Hey!
Ay, puñeta!
Why didn't you take the train?
Out now!
Somebody help!
If CTOS doubles their guards, I better double my weapons.
Look, I've got you. Yeah, okay. Okay, I'll talk to you later.
Hey, how's it going? Anything I can help you with? Thanks so much now.
Over the past few weeks, CTOS centers throughout Chicago have increased security due to several attacks from activist hacker group DedSec. When asked about security changes, Bloom spokeswoman Charlotte Gardner was decisive.
Chicago's safety is paramount, so we've hired private security for every CTOS control center. These highly skilled peacekeepers have trained in dangerous regions of the world.
In fact, Ms. Gardner, these peacekeepers you refer to are military mercenaries, many with criminal records. Isn't that true?
Indeed, they've served time in the military, but we should hardly reject our brave soldiers for proudly serving their country, should we? Our CTOS network is well protected, and that gives Chicago citizens the comfort they deserve.
That was Bloom spokeswoman Charlotte Gardner discussing CTOS security.